beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm thrilled to bring a quick get ready with me for using some amazing products from Earth Rhythm. I'm going to show you step by step on how I went from this to this beautiful festive glam look using just a handful of makeup products from Earth Rhythm. My face is all cleaned and moisturized, so to begin with, I'm going to use this Glow Set Go All Day Strobe Cream from Earth Rhythm. This is a 3-in-1 product which has the benefits of primer, moisturizer and an SPF, guys. This is how the inner packaging looks like. The consistency of this product is more like a moisturizer and it blends seamlessly into your skin, giving a subtle and natural glow to your skin, guys. You can very well see the difference between these two hands here. This is the first time I'm coming across such a versatile product. This has an SPF of 50 and the best part is it has PA++++ with UVA and UVB protection, and it is a broad spectrum protection, guys. I just feel like I can use this product every day to give that natural glow to the face. I'm really loving this product, guys. Next up, I'm going to be applying the foundation. This is the Earth Rhythm Hydrating Face Fluid Matte Set Go. I got the shade 55Y Sandland. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very travel friendly. This is how the foundation looks on my face. I'm really surprised at the fact that the shade looks like a perfect match for my skin tone. I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend this, and look at this, guys. Wow, it blends so effortlessly and I can't see where my skin is and where the foundation is. It is just an exact match for my skin, and it covered the dark spots on my cheeks completely. This is a full coverage foundation and it doesn't feel cakey or uncomfortable, and it's really lightweight. It looks like my skin and no one can tell if I have applied foundation unless I say so. The consistency of this foundation feels very thin and liquidy. This must be because of the fact that it has hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, niacinamide and lotus extract. So many nourishing ingredients in a foundation and I'm really wowed. I also got another shade from this foundation. This is the shade 90Y Espresso. This is a perfect shade for deeper complexions. I am going to use this as a bronzer. I am dotting this along my cheekbones and look how beautifully it blends, guys. I'm also going to use this to contour my nose. I really love this foundation. You guys have to give this a try. Moving on to the eyes, I have this Just Wing It Intense Double Wear Vegan Kohl Pencil. The pigmentation is really good and it's jet black, guys. I'm going to line the waterline with this kajal first and apply a thick line close to my lashes. This itself is looking good, but I think I will slightly smudge this with a brush to create a more softer and smokier look. And this has India's first EcoCert approved formulation with jojoba oil and shea butter. It's very soft, creamy and not waxy. It also has good ingredients and doesn't harm your eyes. Moving on to the blush, I have this lip and cheek tint in the shade Mermaid. This tint has pomegranate flower extracts and jojoba oil. This is a light pink shade and the formula feels like a lip oil or a lip gloss. It gives a subtle touch of color with a dewy finish, guys. I'm going to dot this on my cheeks and blend it with my fingers. Look how beautifully it blends, guys. You really don't need any tool to apply this. It gives a slight shine as well, and I think I don't need a highlighter as I love this dewy blush on my cheeks. Moving on to the lips now, I have this beautiful red lipstick. This is the shade Rosé from their Airy Very Lip Mousse collection. I really love the doe foot applicator. It is very handy and it takes the right amount of product, guys. This shade is a pretty plum with a mix of red. This is a very unique shade. The pigmentation of these lipsticks is one swipe and you can definitely build it up as much as you like and it is going to look great, guys. This lipstick has a moussey texture and it gives a soft velvety matte finish. It also has nourishing ingredients like jojoba oil, shea butter, squalene, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and lotus extracts. Let me accessorize myself and I'll be back. This is the final look, you guys. I really love how this makeup look turned out. It looks flawless, minimal, at the same time a beautiful festive kind of a glam. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as well. Please check out the products from Earth Rhythm. I will link all the products in the description box. Please hit like and subscribe and also know your thoughts on the comment section. I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye bye.